Hi guys, I got some bad news. I thought I was getting Magic Portal by Inscarero. I went over my PayPal invoice. It's the wrong Magic Portal. I ordered the wrong one. So I am still on the search for Magic Portal by Inscarero. I will find it eventually. But I did get my very first Marvel kit. And this is why it confused me. So on my invoice it says Marvel, but the title is Magic Portals, guys. And this is Doctor Strange. And that's why it confused me at first, because here it is, Magic Portal. So I am getting my very first Marvel kit at least. As I do have my first DC comic that I unboxed. So we shall see this painting. Was not expecting this one, but I'll deal. Well, this is my last painting for a while, because this cost me quite a bit. And it did come in its own plastic, which is very, very helpful. So here is your washi tape, your cover minder, your squishy, your heart-shaped wax. This is actually coming from a destash group. So there's your wax. Be sure to peel off the plastic or you will not get very far. Then what else we got? It is a square. And here's your 4-placer. The 7-placer I showed you in the tray. Gorgeous blue pen. You get a thing of branded tweezers. And last but not least, you get your baggies. So guys, just put in the comments if you find Magic Portal by Inscarero, because now I'm going to have to save money up to get that painting wherever I may find it. Because I thought it was Magic Portal by Inscarero, and it was not. But, oh well. I am at least getting a Marvel kit, and he's one of my favorite characters anyway. So, this is Marvel by aka Doctor Strange. It is a square, 22 by 34, 55.8 centimeters by 85.9 centimeters. He's big. So, I always put my sticker on the bottom of my box, so I know what kit it is. So I'm not looking all over the place for it. I have no idea how many ABs this has. I think this has specials. I can't remember. So, like I taught you, just take your fingers and run it along, and there you go. So, I was kind of, I was like, oh, maybe I should send it back, but oh, I like the rendering of this one. Oh, yes. So we are going to unroll this way. So Bellarde Nicole worked on this kit. And I wasn't quite sure if I'd like it or not. But we shall see. It does have a special. So it has 4 ABs, 107, 117, 129, 153. Then down here you have Z3865. If I'm not mistaken, that is a fairy dust drill. Here's your pamphlet. I'm not going to get into detail with it because this is a destash kit. How many colors? 61 colors. It's almost the max you can get with Diamond Art Club. Oh my jeez. I'm glad I got this kit. Oh my lord. I'm just lost for words. So guys, You ready? You get 5 bags of this fairy dust drill. Which I'm so happy for right now. So I can only imagine how many bags of ABs you get. Okay, I'm impressed. So here's the yellow AB. You get 2 bags of the yellow AB. So, oh my Jesus. Red. As you are getting 4 ABs. I just gotta find them all. So we have red, yellow. We have a purple. I gotta find it. And guys, this is a square, so this painting will be taking me a ow. That hurt. So you get quite a few specials in this, which I was not expecting. That would explain why I paid what I paid for it. So then I have a purple I gotta find. Don't want to dig these drills out if I don't have to. Purple. Never mind. It is 3 ABs and 1 fairy dust. So that is it for the drill. So tuck that away. Move the drills out of the way. So yeah, you get quite a few ABs and specials with this kit. So I'm curious to see the rendering. Yeah, Doctor Strange is one of my all-time favorite Marvel characters. I think it's because he's a wizard or warlock or whatever. So I do plan on getting one of each Marvel character. Like, I'm going to get one of Thor. I'm going to get one of... Oh my goodness. I cannot fathom. So you guys ready? Here is Doctor Strange. Isn't he massive? Okay. I just found out where the fairy dust drill goes. That's why you have 5 bags. So, we're going to get into the fairy dust drill first. So, I'm going to use my pointer here. Fairy dust drill's here. Let me see if I can just zoom up a little bit. So, all of this white here, all of this weird white you see, all the white in this image is this drill. Okay? So we are looking at 129, this gorgeous yellow. And that is number 3, which is also spread throughout this here and little patches of it in this part, which is okay. Now we're getting into the red, which is number 1. Okay. So the red is within this here and the cape. And we have the last color, which is number 2. Okay, so they did really good rendering this, or doing their drill placement. It's going to be in the buildings here. It's going to be on the side here. So you have stuff kind of throughout here, 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 here. The only change I am going to be probably making to this kit is possibly adding some form of an AB in this part. Maybe. I haven't decided yet. So this is a square. Let's check the placement. Oh, yes, you're sticky. So we are going to put the drills back in here. I will tour the canvas with you guys, but remember, this came from a destash group. So I do like the color palette. I didn't think I was going to like this image. I was actually going to tell her I was going to send it back. But I'm not going to, because I've been wanting a marble kit. So I'll just have to be on the search for the Esquerro kit. I will find it eventually. Oh, oops. I forgot a set. But yeah, it has that rainbow color effect, which I'm liking. So, that, we are going to take this, move this. Now we are going to tour the canvas. So, with any Diamond Art Club, at the top it's going to say, do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. So, you have your schematic on your left, and your schematic on the bottom right. So then we get here. I'm going to jump right into the lifetime warranty right away. So this, my version of this will not have a lifetime warranty on it because this is from a destash group. But if you're proud of your masterpiece, use hashtag Diamond Art Club to be featured on their social media. Take 10 for 10% off your order. And they also have a Facebook and Instagram. And over here is your pasting area of the image. Let me get down here real quick. Oops. I'm gonna, actually, let's make this easier on me. So, you have your pasting image. Then this is DAC 2643 square. So that, if this wasn't a destash image, that's where I would get drills, replacement drills, or any type of issues I have with the kit. But with this being from a destash group, I don't have that option. But say I need replacement drills, I can go right to DP with Sparklers and get new drills. So 55.8 centimeters by 85.9 centimeters. It is copyrighted by Marvel, Doctor Strange, Diamond Art Club. So that is this kit, guys. And oh my gosh, guys. When this kit, this kit is out of stock, if I'm not mistaken. So guys, if you want this kit, just hit the notification and join their, what's the word I'm looking for? Join their app, their Diamond Art Club app. You will get notifications for when you make your wish list. You can get notifications for what's the word I'm looking for? Out of stocks. So we're going to put this back in the box. So I'm kind of bummed, but I'll survive. But I had to pay $15 for shipping for this kit, which I was not quite happy with. But I lived. I like the image, but I'll get Magic Portals by Inscarero eventually. That is still my unicorn. But maybe I was meant to have a Marvel kit. So I put mine back in the bag. And then I tuck it away. I try to flatten it so it fits in there a little easier. I'll talk about their boxes before I let you go, guys. So all of their like licensed diamond paintings come in a kind of colorful and imagey box. Like you have your image here. You have the image wrapping around. Then there's my sticker. And you do have the Marvel characters here. On the back here, shows you how to diamond paint. What's included in your kit in 3 different languages. It is high purity, high definition, and it is protected. So guys, I do plan on, like, my next kit to purchase that's a Marvel is probably going to be Wonder Woman. But this is my last kit for a while. So, guys, with that being said, love yourself, love each other, guys. Happy diamond painting, guys. Bye.